Hey everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you how you can get eSIM online. So I was traveling to Europe, specifically to Switzerland. So there were various SIM card agencies that was available in the airports in India. So I didn't take the SIM card from there. So I thought I will get a cheaper SIM card when I reach that country. So after landing in Switzerland, I didn't get any of the shops for SIM card there. So what I did is I went to this online portal. So this is not a sponsored video. This is something which I found useful. So it could help you also. So I went to this website. I logged into this website by using airport Wi-Fi. So they have eSIM. So it's very convenient. So if you come to this website, you can see unlock your world, get mobile data anywhere with your prepaid unlimited eSIM plans for international travel. It's quick and easy. So you can type in your destination. You can get instant activation within few minutes. There is optional auto renew plan that is available. So let's put a destination. Let's start with something like Switzerland, right? So now I'm putting arrival and departure. Okay, so I just search for it. So you have 5 GB 10 days plan which activates on February 14th itself, that is today, for $7.99, which is very cheap. So if we go for 10 GB, it activates on February 14th itself for $13. So just click on buy now. When I click on buy now, what happens is that it redirects me to this page where I need to make the payment. So it says auto recharge option. Now I need to just create an account. So let me click next for now. So when I click next, so it's asking me to put in my name, email address, password, and mobile number. So what happens is that this mobile number is something which you would have taken in your home country, and it would have been verified while taking this mobile number. So your identity is linked back to this mobile number. So they may not ask you for additional documentation to get the new SIM card. Normally when you take a new SIM card in the new country, they will ask for your passport or identity proof. But in this, what I notice is that they're not asking for your passport or identity information. That is because you might be already be linked to a country. So my number was linked to India. For other countries, I don't know, they might ask you for passport. So I put in the India mobile number. I got an OTP, which again I got it in my phone, and I put that information here. I verified my email address. So immediately after some time, I got email with my eSIM. So eSIM is something which you can activate by going into your phone. So cellular networks. So what happens is that you can get a QR code in that email. You just have to scan that QR code, and that will activate your eSIM. So for eSIM activation, you can say eSIM activation. So they also have a guide for when they send that email to you. They have sent you a guide. But if you don't know how to activate it, you can go to online and check for this information. So they provide us me with the detailed documentation. So how to set up an eSIM on iPhone. So I'm in Apple support website. So you can use eSIM network provider activation on iPhone. So set up eSIM. So this is how you go there. On your iPhone, go to settings, mobile data, add data plan. Choose a mobile data plan to transfer from another iPhone if you don't see a list of number. Then you can check for instructions on your previous iPhone to confirm the transfer. To confirm the transfer, you can do that. Or you can convert a physical SIM to eSIM. All those options are available. Now, if you use a QR code, you can use a QR code from your network provider to set up an eSIM. So this is the case. In my case, they have sent the QR code by email. To activate your SIM, when you get to set up mobile screen, tap use QR code. You can follow the on-screen instruction to activate it, and within few minutes you will have access to internet in that country where you have purchased the plan. So in this way, even if you don't have mobile connection while you are leaving the country, or if you don't see a shop to get mobile SIM cards in those countries, you still can get it online, provided you have access to internet, which you can get in any airport. Most of the countries provide free internet, Wi-Fi at those airports. So they also show you, see how it works. So this is how it works. eSIM versus physical SIM. So instant activation, no physical SIM is required. Multiple plans is there. There is speed and security. It will redefine the data roaming experience. You choose a plan, scan QR code, connect to 4G, 5G, follow the prompts on your device to add the new international data plan. That's it. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.